bypass these newer Pioneers and most of the newer radios without having to use a toggle switch, which gets old. Always bending down and having to hit that switch. So here we go. We got the DVD and the DVD in there. Now, as you could hear the music, but not getting any picture. Okay, so this is how you're going to bypass this without using a toggle switch. We have ground. These two, you're going to need 2 wires for ground. This is going to be one to the remote switch turn on the radio, which is the blue wire. And you're going to need the actual green wire, which is the bypass itself. Now, on the relay, you have 30. You have 30, that's at the bottom. This is going to be 85 right here in the corner. That's going to be where the remote goes. 30 is going to be where this green parking brake goes. The 2 right here is going to be ground. So this, first of all, we're going to put the ground wires. Put the ground right here. Now this is the other ground, which we're going to loop around. Put it in there. This is the remote turn on. Which we're going to put right on 85. And now, to finish off, you got the green wire. You're going to put that right there on the 30. And there you have it. There you go, video. No toggle switch. No more toggle switch.